Introduction to AWS Amplify User Pools. AWS Amplify user pools provide a secure and scalable way to manage user authentication and authorization for web and mobile applications. In this tutorial, we will cover the key concepts and best practices for using AWS Amplify user pools effectively. Step 1: Setting up user pools. To get started with AWS Amplify user pools, create a new user pool in the AWS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Configure the pool settings such as password policy and account recovery options. You can also customize the user interface for sign-in and sign-up pages. Step 2: Configuring authentication. AWS Amplify user pools support multiple authentication protocols including OAuth and OpenID Connect. Choose the authentication protocol that best fits your application needs and configure the necessary settings such as client ID and client secret. Step 3: Managing users. AWS Amplify user pools provide a range of features for managing users including user registration and login. You can also use the AWS Management Console or AWS CLI to create and manage user accounts. Use the AWS Amplify SDK to integrate user pool functionality into your application. Step 4: Implementing authorization. AWS Amplify user pools support fine-grained authorization using AWS IAM roles and policies. Assign IAM roles to users or groups and configure policies to control access to application resources. Use the AWS Amplify SDK to check user permissions and authorize access to protected resources. Best practices for using AWS Amplify user pools. Use strong password policies and enable multi-factor authentication to protect user accounts. Implement account recovery options such as password reset and account lockout policies. Monitor user pool activity and adjust settings as needed to ensure security and scalability. Conclusion: AWS Amplify user pools provide a powerful and flexible way to manage user authentication and authorization for web and mobile applications. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively use AWS Amplify user pools to secure and scale your application.